descriptions: before class, after class, before, after, and test. The same descriptions are available for JUnit 5. However, the annotations are different except for the test annotation. The test annotation remains the same because it declares a test method. That's how we test our application. All other annotations have been updated in JUnit 5. Before class has been replaced with before all. After class replaced with after all. Before replaced with before each. And after replaced with after each. Before all executes before all test methods. After all executes after all test methods. Before each execute before each test method that is indicated by the test annotation. After each executes after each test method. The test method is represented by the test annotation. All annotations that begin with before or after are called configuration annotations. When I think of configuration annotations, they remind me of preconditions and postconditions. Preconditions have the before prefix. It is an action that comes before the test, maybe some kind of setup. Postconditions have the after prefix because it is an action that happens after the test, like closing the browser. The test annotation is a condition that automates our application and should have a verification step to determine if our test passes or if our test fails.